I got it here, weirdest can opener ever. This is the most adjustable. There's a hook here, hook here. So let's say we have a bigger jar, pop it right in the middle instantly, and then we're going to adjust it way up and pop this one down with leverage, and then oops, adjust this, the blade, and pop it down, and then just hold this. Wow, that is easy with one smooth like cutting motion. Flip it over, I guess. Boom. Wow, that is hilarious. Next level can opener. That was so easy. I love that one the best. I never seen that kind before. That's the first time I tried it. There's a burn for it, so that way you can look it up. Amazing, very sharp. Found this brand Honey Badger on Amazon. This is small FSBLK knife, and that is okay. Honey Badger Flipper Small Black, made in China. So it's under $50, and those are the perfect knives to just use every day. Okay, let's see, since it's a brand new company I never seen before, check it out. Beautiful. Oh, don't look at that, whole bunch of different knives in there. Honey Badger, don't care. That's funny. Yeah, because Honey Badger really is don't care. Those are very awesome animals. Okay, boom. I love that logo. So looks like a honeycomb design. Beautiful, under $50. I would use it every day. I don't know if I could spider flick this, but I could open it slowly right here. But it is a flicker, so I could probably flick it every time. The only reason why I cannot use this as much, I have big hands, and this is a small knife. But look at that. There is a finger grip on the blade to where it becomes full hand grip. If I want to work on something like starting a fire, it has a thick blade. Beautiful. There's a steel material. Awesome. Very smooth. Wow, Honey Badger. All I have to do is just kind of flick it this way, and it flicks out. I love it. I'm definitely gonna look into more knives that they make. They have pretty cool designs. Just discovered that brand. Okay, let's see what else we have here. I have a little box of stuff. This flashlight, also kind of new brand right here. So this is 1000 lumen monstrum. Is that how it goes? Glass, and there's laser. So it's a laser flashlight. Very cool. Let's open it up, see what it's all about. By the way, boxes like that, the easiest way to do it without ripping them up, you just slide it in with the tool and pry it open a little bit. That's it. Okay, very curious to see what kind of flashlight this is. Okay, box within a box. Gotta use another one of these sticks. Okay, there's going to be the flashlight in here, very well packaged. Okay, interesting. I love that it's kind of like a slim square design, fits the pocket easier. And there's a flashlight and a laser. Okay, USB-C. I like it. There's probably a lock mode. Okay, pre-charged it. Take this. Unlock it. What's happening? Okay, 2 times press it. And then press and hold. No? Yeah. Press and hold, and it will change the moods. Okay, we're gonna figure this out. Okay, triple click, it will go into safety mode. Press and hold, and it will turn it on. Press and hold. Nothing. Okay, there's a laser right here. The laser is simple. Just press this button and it instantly a pointer laser. Very cool. And there's a what kind of laser class that is. So double click, it's brightest 1000 lumen, press and hold. It will adjust different lumens. Okay, that's very simple. With these new flashlights, they all have different type of moods. Finally figured it out. Double click into 1000 lumen, and for safety, in case there's an animal, like maybe a dog charging you, triple click, and it will deter or like scare the animal. So very nice flashlight. I really like that. And over here is probably will be like a charger and everything else. Okay, next one is pretty unique little EDC gadget, desk toy, like office toy. So that's hilarious. Okay, let's see what it's all about. There's instructions. Unfortunately, I don't think we have English instruction, and it's a little, I don't know, like how to explain this is. What's that brand that shoots for me things? For me, it's a guns. Nerf guns. Okay. This is something like a Nerf gun. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. Let's see. Okay, I have to push it back. That is so cool. And then loads up in here and lock it. Ooh, there's a spinny. The spinner, not super precise spinner. Okay, it has to have some kind of red things in here, but I don't see it. Let's see. Oh, there it is. There's a lot of them. Nice. So like I said, this is like a little Nerf plastic little things, or like airsoft. Okay, let's load it up. Let's open it and load up 3 of them. That is a cool invention. Okay, and they kind of click into it. That is so hilarious. Okay, let's see what's about. Okay, there goes nothing. Simple instructions. Okay, open it, load it, lock it. Now it's hot. So all I have to do is just push it down. Whoa! It flung way out. That is awesome. Okay, now open it. Oh wow, it flies out. This so hilarious. Spinner right here. That is so funny. Load it, and all I have to do is just push it down. Let's see. That is quite powerful. Wow, that is more of a like airsoft. Wow, that is going to fly out pretty good. And the last time, I'm gonna shoot it into a phone, see what happens. Oh, wrong button. So push it down. That is hilarious. If you enjoy airsofting, last resort, I don't know if it's legal in an airsoft competition. That's hilarious. First of all, I've seen those ones before, but they're really thick. This one truly is a miniature keychain, like a beat driver. That's a Ziploc. There it is. So I would not feel it. It's so small. It would be on my keychain, and so easily to grab it and unscrew something. And if I need flat head, spin it over, boom, unscrew something. Very simple. Let's see. Is it fidgety too? Ooh, that's pretty fidgety too. I don't know, something satisfying about that a little bit. But yeah, flat head, Phillips head. Very tiny bead driver. Love it. I got here toolboxes, Modula by Climb's Tools. So I have a really nice logic right here, and there is a lock to remove it. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4 hooks that slides into these grooves right here. So very nice and easy to lock it in. Well, let's hope so. Opening boxes are really nice. Boom. There's like a little Modula pieces could go in here. Slide it over this way. Locks in, can put in bigger tools, other module things. There's a locking, lock, and this and here I'll move it with two hands. I'll lock it, remove it. Nice handle, very balanced. This next boxes, there's one with wheels. This is different modular box, but with that one it's a little bit in a way. The handle, it's still very new, so it's super tight. There's a latchet right here, keeps it all together. So Milwaukee finally has a competition. And same thing, there's a removable pieces, could be different things inside there. Let's see how easy it is to lock it in and out. I'm really excited about the last box. This is just simple stuff. This is a suitcase. Lock it in, boom. This handle is a little bit in the way, but there it is. Easy. Now let's talk about the box. The box is very unique. This right here, if I pull it up, the whole handle will come out and we just get the box. Or I can lock it back in, lock it. Now the whole thing stays together. That's so cool. There's a lock right here, boom, really tall. I like it. And let's talk about this stuff. Latchets. This is like a base. It's brand new. That's kind of nice. So I guess makes sense why I wanna remove this, push this out. If I'm working and this is in the way, let's see. Oh wow, I don't know if it's supposed to do that. Yeah, it should be. Should open all the way so I can keep it open, put stuff in here. There's also modular pieces can go inside there. Then close it back up. I don't know, that doesn't sound right. Maybe it's not supposed to open past that part. Maybe this sounds a little painful when I open it. So maybe I should open it past. But anyways, it doesn't look like it's broken or anything. I really like that there's a movable handle right here. Pretty cool. There's the bottom, lock it in. Also there's a could be put in some different stuff in here. But yeah, very cool box. Nothing really holds it whenever I open it. Oh, there it is. It's just still brand new, yeah. And then it locks in. Okay. The noise is supposed to make that noise. And then it holds the lid, grab what I need, put it back up. So I don't even have to detach the back. Very nice. Okay. Now, heavy box. Then I can put a little heavier box. Definitely have some unique stuff. Lock it in, so everything keeps it together. And then this handle is definitely unique, locks in. Then a suitcase. Boom. And I'm ready to go. Very nice tool organizer.